Welcome. My name is Reaz, and this is my channel Echo Envision. If you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. The 2025 financial crash. Are you ready for the collapse? How to profit during a crash. Bank collapses 2023, debt crisis spirals, inflation stays hot. The warning lights are flashing. From $307 trillion in global debt to banks hiding massive losses, the system is cracking. Here's why experts say a financial crash is now inevitable, and how to protect yourself before it's too late. If you're watching this, you've seen the headlines. Inflation won't die, interest rates keep climbing, banks are failing, and right now, the everything bubble, stocks, real estate, crypto, is teetering on collapse. Today, we're breaking down the 7 deadly red flags that prove a financial crash isn't just possible, it's likely. Plus, I'll show you exactly how to prepare, step by step. Let's dive in. Global debt bomb. $307 trillion. That's 3x global GDP. Governments are borrowing like crazy, but the scariest part? Corporate debt. Zombie companies, ones that can't even pay interest, are up 300% since 2008. When rates rise, they'll implode. Consumer debt crisis. Credit card debt just hit $1.13 trillion in the US alone. Auto loan defaults are spiking. This isn't 2008 subprime mortgages, it's subprime everything. Elon Musk. Commercial real estate is melting down. Banks are holding ticking time bombs. The Fed's impossible choice. Crush inflation with rate hikes, triggering a recession, or cut rates early, and let inflation rage. Either way, markets lose. Quantitative tightening, QT. The Fed is sucking $95 billion per month out of the economy. Last time they tried this? 2018. Markets crashed 20% in 3 months. Interest rates versus inflation. Who blinks first? Stock market delusion. The S&P 500 is priced for perfection, but earnings are falling. AI hype won't save it. Real estate reality check. Office vacancies are at 30-year highs. Housing prices are falling fast in China, Canada, Germany. The US is next. Crypto's dead cat bounce. Bitcoin's up in 2023? So was Enron, before it collapsed. World War III? US-China tensions over Taiwan could freeze $3 trillion in trade overnight. Energy shock 2.0. If Saudi Arabia ditches the dollar for oil trades? The petrodollar system crumbles. Ray Dalio. We're in a classic pre-war phase. Conflict is inevitable. Job market collapse. AI could wipe out 300 million jobs by 2030. Imagine the unemployment riots. Market manipulation. AI trading bots could trigger a flash crash no human can stop. 1929 versus 2023. Depression-era breadlines. 1929 versus 2023. Margin debt is higher today than in 1929. History doesn't repeat, but it rhymes. 2008 playbook. In 2008, only housing blew up. Today, stocks, bonds, crypto, real estate, all are linked. Contagion will be worse. Michael Burry, The Big Short. The greatest speculative bubble of all time, in everything. Liquidity lifeline. Hold 10% of your net worth in cash. Crash veterans like Warren Buffett always have dry powder. Crash-proof assets. Gold, silver, farmland, and T-bills. Avoid crypto, safe havens. It's digital confetti. Short the chaos. Inverse ETFs like SQQQ let you profit as markets fall. But this is high risk, skills over stocks. Learn plumbing, coding, healthcare, recession-proof jobs that AI can't replace. Top 5 crash-proof jobs. How to profit during a crash. Now, here's the silver lining. Crashes aren't just about survival, they're about opportunity. The wealthy don't just protect their money during downturns, they make more. Here's how you can too. Buy the dip. Warren Buffett's mantra. Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Blue chip stocks like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla often drop 30–50% during crashes. That's your chance to buy low and sell high later. Short selling. If you're an experienced trader, shorting overvalued stocks or using inverse ETFs, like SQQQ, can let you profit as markets fall. But beware. This is high risk and not for beginners. Gold and silver. During the 2008 crash, gold surged 25% while stocks crashed. Precious metals are the ultimate safe haven. Real estate bargains. When the housing market crashes, cash-rich investors swoop in. Foreclosures and fire sales equals massive discounts. Start a side hustle. Recessions create demand for budget-friendly services. Think freelance work, tutoring, or flipping items online. Crashes are scary, but they're also where fortunes are made. If you want my free financial crash survival checklist, including how to spot crash-proof opportunities, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment "crash-proof" below. I'll send it to you ASAP. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. The storm is coming. Will you be ready? Additional tips for viewers. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. If you're not sure when to buy, DCA into index funds or ETFs over time. This reduces risk and lets you capitalize on lower prices. Learn options trading. Put options can hedge your portfolio or generate income during downturns. But again, this is advanced. Do your homework. Add-ons for retention. Mid-roll quiz. 6 o'clock mark. Which asset lost 90% in 2008? A. Gold. B. Real estate. C. Bitcoin. Comment your answer. Hashtag financial crash. Hashtag economic collapse. Hashtag stock market. Hashtag recession. Hashtag debt crisis. Hashtag inflation. Hashtag Bitcoin crash. Hashtag gold.